For many of you that will be asking, how do I earn with this Resify app? How do I earn? How do I perform the task? Chioma, I have opened my own. I have upgraded with so amount. How do I start making money? When can I withdraw? Now, listen. You people ask questions that the answers are already right in your front. What you will do to start earning on this place is by clicking on the N. Look at the place written N down there. You will see home, you will see N, you will see upgrade, you will see referral, and you will see contact us. Now click on N. Are you seeing it? Now pick a way to earn. Always read. Pick a way to earn, finish tasks and reward drop straight into your wallet. Google reviews. This is a way to earn. By doing a Google review, ads click. By clicking on ads, that is adverts. Now invite and earn. There are three major ways you can earn. These are the three major ways. Let's go to the first one, which is Google reviews. Click on it. Now, these are different tasks that you will do there. Look at them. There are so many. Are you seeing it? These are the tasks you will do on Google review. Now, you start from, just click on start to start the task. It's as easy as that. The questions of how do I earn is just sounding funny to me, because you're asking a question that is right at your front. We are adults, for crying out loud. Now click on start. Open Google review. Click on it. Now they said childcare and wellness clinic. I have already answered this review. That is why it's still showing my review. I've answered this. All you need to do is to drop a review about this childcare and wellness clinic. What you expected to do is to drop meaningful reviews. Now listen to what I said. I say you are the best when it comes to wellness. Then all you will do is to click on the stars. How many stars are you giving them? Give them all the stars. Click on 5 stars. Then post. Thanks for your post. As you can see, they didn't give me any points. Why? Because I've already answered. I've posted this review before now. That is why I did not receive any points. But if you are just answering your review for the first time, immediately you click on post, they will tell you you've received so points. It could be 11 points. That is your money. Those things are money. Those points are your income. Let's go back. Done. Go back. Why you are going back is to perform another one. When you click on it, you answer. You drop a review, reasonable, meaningful reviews on people's company, people's facilities. It's as easy as that. It's as easy as that. They said confirm and earn. You confirm. Once you confirm and earn, they said successfully view this ad. You see, I have already viewed this ad before. That is why they did not give me any points. Because I'm always doing my own. I'm always doing it. How do I earn? How do I earn? That is how to earn. Click on another one. Open Google review. Look at it. I have not answered this now. They said Nigerian Limited. I'm giving them 5 stars. Now, I just dropped the review. They can be trusted. They can be trusted. It's as simple as I just drop something reasonable. Go to post. Now you see, plus 11 points. They are giving me points now because I've not answered this one. They gave me 11 points. That is my money. Done. Click on done. go back. Confirm and earn. You confirm. Are you seeing it? I've done that. This is how to earn. There is no special thing. They are not wearing a golden ring to do it. It's as easy as this. It's as easy as this. Stop this question of how do I earn? How do I earn?